गुड मॉर्निंग। आज का लेक्चर नंबर 5 आप लोगों को मैं इंजन टर्मिनोलॉजी के बारे में। इन द इंजन डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टर्म्स आर यूज, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं इंजन टर्मिनोलॉजी। पहला टर्म है बोर रेशियो। व्हाट इज द बोर रेशियो? इट इज एक्सप्रेस्ड एज L upon D. What is the L? L is the length of stroke. I told you in the previous class that the piston move bottom dead center to top dead center. Similarly, from top dead center to bottom dead center. So, what is the distance? It moves from bottom dead center to top dead center, or top dead center to bottom dead center is called the length of stroke. L. And D is the diameter of the cylinder. Okay, these are in the millimeter. L upon D. L is the length of the stroke. D is the diameter of the cylinder. In millimeter. In the coming class, you will solve the numerical. So these terms will use. Okay. Now the second term is the compression ratio. Compression ratio is expressed as R equal to V1 upon V2K, where V1 is the total volume and V2 is the clearance volume. I told you in the combustion chamber there is a D clearance, means when the piston move upward, it goes to the top dead center. There is a gap between the top dead center and cylinder head. That is the clearance volume. Okay, and V2 is the total volume. Means what is the volume created inside the cylinder when it move up to the bottom dead center. Okay, so this V1 is the, what I told you, total volume. V2 is the clearance volume. Now the third term is the piston displacement. The piston displacement is the volume displayed by the piston during one stroke. Means when piston move inside the cylinder, how is the volume? What is the volume displaced is called the piston displacement. Pg equal to A into Lk. Pg where Pg is the piston displacement, A is the area of cylinder in square centimeter, L is the length of stroke. Okay. Now the fourth term is the displacement volume. Displacement volume is the total set volume of all piston during power stroke occurring the period of 1 minute. V, that is the displacement volume. Vd, we denote displacement volume in cubic centimeter. Vd equal to A L into Nk, where A is the area where, remember it, A L into N. A is the area of piston and L is the length of stroke and N is the number of power stroke. Okay, A, L and N. A is the area of piston in square centimeter, L is the length of stroke, N is the number of power stroke. Now a term comes power. What is the power? Power means you know the work, force into distance. Power is the unit for measuring the work. Power is the rate of doing work is called the power. And this power in metric system, unit of power is the horsepower. How much horsepower? Suppose I ask you 1 horsepower means when 75 kg meter of work is being done in 1 second, we call it 1 horsepower. Okay. Next time I will ask you what is the horsepower. Horsepower means if 75, it is unit for measuring the power. Okay. Horsepower is the unit for measuring the power. And when 75 kg of work is being done in 1 second, it is the 1 horsepower. Okay. Now in the engine, there is one indicated horsepower. It is the total horsepower developed by all cylinder and received by piston disregarding friction and losses within the engine, and it may be calculated. I will give you numerical in the next class, and you have to calculate the indicated horsepower. Indicated horsepower is equal to P into L into A into N divided by 75 and 65, where P is the mean effective pressure. What is the P? ISP, I told you. ISP is the indicated horsepower. P is the mean effective pressure, and L is the length of stroke. It is the in meter. Okay, remember unit. P is the mean effective pressure. Unit of P is the kg per centimeter square pressure, I think. Kg per centimeter square. And L length of stroke in meter. A is the area of piston in square centimeter. And N is the number of power stroke made by engine in 1 minute. Okay, and then divided by 75 and 65. Now another term come, friction horsepower, FHP. Now not friction but brake horsepower. Terms brake horsepower. Horsepower obtained at the crankshaft is called the brake horsepower, because you know when engine run, piston move in the cylinder, there is some friction also. So after losses of friction and cooling loss, we get the power, that is the brake horsepower. So what is the brake horsepower? Horsepower obtained at the crankshaft is called the brake horsepower. Now we come to know another term, mechanical efficiency. Mechanical efficiency is the ratio of brake horsepower to the indicated horsepower. Here I have denoted this efficiency M equal to BHP lambda M divided equal to BHP upon IHP multiplied by 100. Lambda M is equal to mechanical efficiency in percentage, and BHP is the brake horsepower and IHP is the indicated horsepower multiplied by 100. So you remember all these term, indicated horsepower, in displacement volume, piston displacement, compression ratio, all formula you have to learn. Okay, in the note also I have given. In the coming class, we will solve some numerical problem basis on this term. Okay, bete, thank you.